Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.3694 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.3329 1.4090. The earlier day close, 1.3795. The change was 0.0101, 0.73%. Backwards rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk, 21, cost 1.41 rands, high 1.51, low 1.31. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost 1.34 rands, high 1.43, low 1.25. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost 1.44 rands, high 1.54, low 1.34. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday. Walk, 24, cost 1.49 rands, high 1.59, low 1.39. In multi-week Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday. Walk, 27, cost 1.38 rands, high 1.48, low 1.28. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost 1.40 rands, high 1.50, low 1.30. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost 1.44 rands, high 1.54, low 1.34. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost 1.54 rands, high 1.65, low 1.43. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday. Walk, 31, cost 1.57 rands, high 1.68, low 1.46. In about 14 days Dogecoin estimate on Monday. April, 3, cost 1.61 rands, high 1.72, low 1.50. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 4, cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57, low 1.37. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday. April, 5, cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday. April, 6, cost 1.38 rands, high 1.48, low 1.28. Dogecoin estimate on Friday. April, 7, cost 1.39 rands, high 1.49, low 1.29. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday. April, 10, cost 1.39 rands, high 1.49, low 1.29. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday. April, 11, cost 1.36 rands, high 1.46, low 1.26. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 12, cost 1.30 rands, high 1.39, low 1.21. Dogecoin figure on Thursday. April, 13, cost 1.28 rands, high 1.37, low 1.19. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday. April, 14, cost 1.31 rands, high 1.40, low 1.22. In about a month Dogecoin figure on Monday. April, 17, cost 1.28 rands, high 1.37, low 1.19. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 18, cost 1.29 rands, high 1.38, low 1.20. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday. April, 19, cost 1.32 rands, high 1.41, low 1.23. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for Walk 2023. Initially cost at 1.48 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.68, while low cost 1.18. The found the middle value of cost 1.48. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.57. Change for spring 6.1%. Dogecoin gauge for April 2023. In the first place cost at 1.57 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.92, while low cost 1.18. The found the middle value of cost 1.62. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.79. Change for April 14.0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.79 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.79, while low cost 1.50. The found the middle value of cost 1.67. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.61. Change for May 10.1%. Dogecoin estimate for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.61 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.00, while low cost 1.61. The found the middle value of cost 1.77. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.87. Change for June 16.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.87 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.87, while low cost 1.46. The found the middle value of cost 1.69. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.57, change for July 16.0%. Dogecoin estimate for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.57 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.57, while low cost 1.23. The found the middle value of cost 1.42. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.32, change for August 15.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 1.32 rands. Excessive cost 1.64, while low cost 1.32. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.45. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.53, change for September 15.9%. Dogecoin conjecture for October 2023. At the outset cost at 1.53 rands. Excessive cost 1.74, while low cost 1.52. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.61. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.63, change for October 6.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset cost at 1.63 rands. Excessive cost 1.63, while low cost 1.40. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.54. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.51, change for November 7.4%. Dogecoin conjecture for December 2023. At the outset cost at 1.51 rands. Excessive cost 1.69, while low cost 1.47. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.56. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.58, change for December 4.6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at 1.58 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.58, while low cost 1.24. The found the middle value of cost 1.43. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.33, change for January 15.8%. Dogecoin gauge for February 2024. To start with cost at 1.33 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.33, while low cost 1.04. The found the middle value of cost 1.21. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.12, change for February 15.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for WAC 2024. To start with cost at 1.12 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.20, while low cost 1.04. The found the middle value of cost 1.12. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.12, change for spring 0.0%. ZAR to Doge swapping scale equivalent to 0.7302 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.7097 minus 0.7503. The earlier days nearby 0.7249. Change for now plus 0.0053 plus 0.73%. ZAR to Doge cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday. WAC 21.